So this video is filmed in the Long Island Sound while fishing for porgy in about 17 feet of water. I always wanted to know what the bottom looks like in the place that I fish, so I dropped the camera to see what's going on down there. And it's quite a lot of stuff. While up above, this is the kind of action I'm getting here. Literally drop and wind, and it's been non-stop. The porgy must have been carpeting the entire ocean floor. I can't imagine how many are there right now, because whenever I cast the line out, it gets hit instantly. Though I'm not particularly targeting today, I'm actually aiming for blackfish, which you will see in my follow-up video. It helps that I'm actually using a cut clam as a bait. It's like a pheromone to the porgy. As the camera descends, the bottom is slowly coming into focus, and you can really start to see the school of fish all around. And a blackfish just swam by. It's a good sign. The bottom is pretty flat, no boulders, no structure, no change of elevation. It's just flat all around with what looks like a bunch of small pebble on the ocean floor. It's the same kind of reading from my sonar. Another blackfish just swam by. The yellow mesh you see on the right side is my chum bag with a handful of mussels that I gathered earlier and cracked it open just to draw some fish close by, and apparently it's working really well because you can see a whole bunch of fish there. The current is pushing my camera around, that's why it's behind the back right now. And the porgies are getting closer for selfies, I guess. I need a better camera underwater setup. It's not working the way I want it. Those porgy look a little smaller than they actually are. I would wager that they are around 10 to 12 inches easily. Based from what I'm pull up, I think they are around that size. Now the black sea bears are starting to show up. This one looks like around 12 to 14 inches, I would say. There might be a small school of them here today. Something just hit the camera. Now it's pointing on the ocean floor up close and personal. Somehow the camera got turned and is now looking upward, giving a different perspective. Kind of interesting. The water looks stirred up with a bunch of debris flowing by. Those tiny little dots of stuff in the water. I'm not sure if you guys could see it. I think this is a sea bass. I'm getting really close to the camera. It's a young one with their strike and stripe on the side. Looks slightly different on the water though. I had to flip the camera in portrait mode for easy viewing, so my head doesn't have to tilt to the side just to watch it. This place is loaded with life. If you were fishing for porgy here today, I'm sure you can limit out in an hour. It's like looking into an aquarium. Okay, I'm going to stop narrating, so enjoy the rest of the video, and please don't forget to subscribe. and thanks for watching. Please don't forget to leave a comment, a like, a dislike, and please subscribe. Thank you.